Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Code Curve. This video is about fixing the Log4j vulnerability without upgrading the latest Log4j jar. We have multiple ways to overcome the Log4j vulnerability. Then option 1, upgrade to Log4j to latest 2.17 1.1 that was released by basically Log4j Apache team. The option second is add lookup parameter. So that's when we are upping the JVM, that point often they say that you just need to add one more parameter to that will help to not to look up this all the parameters that are we are logging into this configuration file. But problem in this option 2 is that is still we have some more methodology by that we can attacker can attack on that. For option 1 and option 2, I already shared the videos, and if you want to look, then I just added in the description. You can go through and then watch it. Right. And then here the main objective about the option 3. So in option 3, we can simply remove the JndiLookup class from the log4j. That now nobody can use this JndiLookup access to basically connect to DV, LDAP, as well as RMI. So to more overcome into this, first I will explain what is the log4j components that are using in the application and where this JndiLookup class is residing. And then I will go through that how we can remove that class. So I'm moving to the diagram. With the help of that, I can easily explain this. Consider this is your complete application. Right. In this application, you can see that we are using the log4j component. This log4j component basically contain multiple log that component like log4j core, log4j API, log4j Joule, and then log4j SL4j, and then many more. Maybe you can consider a couple of more. But this component is using by this application to in this application we are using some log info log error to just logging the information inside the log file. If we found anything important, then we can write in here. There's a couple of more parameter. If we are using log4j configuration.xml, then we have some couple of methods or parameters. With the help of that, we can access the thread level information and then print that. So that the attacker can attack with the help of this message and this thread context parameter. Right. And then if we pass this JndiLookup information or JndiLookup parameter, then what happened? The application will try to access that. So what here we are trying to do, this log4j component has this JndiLookup.class. And with the help of this JndiLookup.class, that system try to connect these resources, LDAP, RMI, and DNS. So if we will remove this class, then this any methodology will not try to connect this resource. Right. So now I'm moving to the project where we are using the older version log4j, and then we'll look how we can remove that JndiLookup class from there. Right. So I'm going to move into the Eclipse. So this is our project. So if you look here, this log4j code cuff project, basically it's a REST API. With the help of Spring Boot, we implemented that. And then we are using some log4j configuration. So first we need to look which version we are using. So if you go into the project and external, then you can see here. You can see here we are using this version, log4j core 2.14.1, because this component is corrupted, because that component contains the JndiLookup class. So now our objective to remove this class from this and rebuild this project again. So now I'm moving to this jar file and look where this JndiLookup class is present. So I'm going to directory where we have this log4j. I just copy that log4j code.2.14.1 because we are using that. So I want to remove this JndiLookup class from there. First, let's open this in archive map, then look where it is residing. So this is a main file. So inside the org apache logging log4j, this file is present. If you look this JndiLookup, so they are talking about to remove this file. So now our objective to remove this file. So here we have some couple of commands. With the help of that, we can easily remove that. So I'm closing this right now first, and I'm going to this directory, opening the command line. So this is right, our class is present. Now I'm copying this command and I will explain what is this command is there. There's some issues. Set the copy. This is a basically in this command with the help of 7jet, what we are trying to do. This is our file name log4j core. This basically this jar. In this jar, we want to remove this JndiLookup class. So now I'm just going to execute this. So what is doing is modifying this jar and just removing this class from there. Now I'm going back to this and then trying to open this again. So now I move into this OG, Apache, logging, log4j, core, and then the lookup. So now we can see that that file is not present here. And next step, what is the next step to overcome this is that simply now we just need to go to that place in this C where we have that griddle is present. Just replace that log4j 2.14.1 with this older one. And this older one is contain the JndiLookup, but new one, whatever we created, that doesn't have that. So what we need to do, just replace that and then build your project again with the help of this build command. So what it will do, it will simply create a new jar without this. So what happened with this help of this, we remove this log4j vulnerability. So this is done. So if you are liking my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thank you.